Hi, I was tasked with looking at the skill of social and how it kind of works with IB. So, when we're thinking about social skills in the lit classroom, some of the things that were brought up is the idea of social skills are important when it comes and can be developed in the creating of classroom and discussion norms. Social skills are also developed when a safe classroom environment is created where texts are studied in a challenging but respectful manner. Social skills are also developed when there are group or private responses to individual work or group work, and there is a place for interactive reflection and also a place for private reflection. Social skills will be developed with active listening ability, allowing students to consider different perspectives. And then the social skills will get developed by teacher modeling of the varied responses to text and giving varied types of feedback that acknowledges and recognizes the differences that will sometimes come. From everything I saw, the key quote, though, that I took away was this right here in the readings, and that is in the studies in language and literature, the sensitive, interactive, and collaborative engagement in the discussion of a wide variety of texts allows students to consider and develop their own social skills by debating, negotiating the meaning of a text, as students in one same classroom may have different interpretations of one same text. So I thought this was really insightful in the fact that by having our students approach the text from different angles and have different interpretations, it can really allow them to develop their social skills and navigate that kind of level of understanding. The portfolio, I thought, really fit into the development of social skills is the fact that it is a place where they can record the feedback that they receive and comment and reflect on that feedback. It can also be a place where group activities or discussions are reported and these places where diverse values and perspectives can be negotiated and be thought about in terms of the self. It is a place for students to think about the social challenges they face and maybe the achievements that they've had. And also, it is a place where students can reflect on their assumptions, beliefs, and values when framing a text and think about the assumptions, beliefs, and values of their classmates as well. So, thank you very much for your time.